Hey guys, welcome to TechTree's tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to track Spotify Wrap 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So Spotify Wrap just recently dropped, and if you're eager to see your Spotify Wrap for 2023, you'll just need to head onto your Spotify app for that. So once you're already in onto your app, onto the upper part, you should be able to see the wrap, which is actually enclosed with colors in there. So you'll just have to click onto that one, and you should be able to see your 2023 wrap with that one. So you could unwrap your listening highlights for that. You'll just have to click onto that. So you'll just need to see it, and then that's just basically it on to seeing your Spotify wrap in 2023. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.